Sam here from Applied Concepts. We stock a wide range of diesel compressors from 105 CFM up to 425. What you can see here is our 175 portable diesel powered by a 4-cylinder Perkins diesel engine. More importantly, we sell spare parts and servicing kits for all of our diesel compressors. So in the case of this 175, we have air filter, oil, diesel, oil for the compressor, and a fine air oil separator cartridge. This should be changed every 500 hours or every year, whichever comes first. And at 1,000 hours or 2 years, the oil from the compressor and the engine should both be changed. We stock all of this. If you're looking for a servicing kit, give us a call on 057 913 7929 or sales@appliedpi.com.